Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.3, but before this we will know the basic concept of multiplication of decimal numbers because in this exercise we have to perform the multiplication between decimal numbers. There are some rules which we have to follow while multiplying two decimal numbers. First is ignore the decimal point and multiply the number. Means if there is a number 2.3 into 5, so what you have to do, you have to just write like this. Ignore where is the decimal can be here with the 5 also. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 1 remains, then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So this is the answer finally, but this is not the final answer because we see the decimal here. See how many numbers are there after 3, or we can say how many number before how many numbers there is decimal before one number. So before one number we will put decimal here also. Let's take another example. 1.5 into 1.1. While multiplying these numbers, let's multiply with 1. We get 15 because 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Then 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. On adding 5, 6, 1, 165 we have got. What will be the answer? See, count the total number of digits after the point in both numbers. There is 1 and 1 again. So overall 2 digits are there after decimal. So here we will put the decimal before two numbers. Got it? You have to write these rules of multiplication also. Now multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, whatever the number, like there you see the zeros. Okay, so the digit in the product are same, but the decimal point in the product shifts to the digit to right by as many zeros over 1. Means see there is a number 3.41. okay, if I multiply it with 1000, so what we do, we just multiply. The simple way of multiplying is this. Then see how before how many numbers there is decimal before two numbers, so this will be here. So this number can be written like this, and we can say that decimal has shifted to the right by as many zeros over 1. okay, so how many numbers it has shifted? This was 3.41, so it will shift three places, means 1 2 and 3, but there is nothing, so we will put 0. Answer will become 3410. Exercise 2.6 question number first. Find this multiplication. As we know 6 2s are 12, we will put the decimal before one digit because it is the decimal before one digit. Now this 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 36. Where we will put decimal? We will put decimal before one digit, so it will be like this. Then again 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is the multiplication, but this is not the correct answer because we have to put 0 before two digits. This is the final answer. I have done 3 parts of this question for you. You have to do rest of the parts by yourself, and this is compulsory to do. This will give you more exposure to practice. Second question is, find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Let's make a rectangle at first. Yes. So what is the length? Length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, so what is the area of rectangle? As we all know, area is length into breadth. What is the length? 5.7 and the breadth is 3. Multiply these two numbers. 7 3s are 21, 171. Okay, so where we will put decimal? Decimal before one digit. This will be like this. What will be the unit of this area? See, both are in centimeter, so length in centimeter, length into breadth means centimeter into centimeter. So finally answer will be in centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter square, or we can write square centimeter. Okay, so you can simply write centimeter square. This is the final solution that you have to write. Now question number 3 is find. Here again we see the multiplication. In this exercise you will see multiplication only. In this case we have studied that decimal shifts towards right side. How much places? 10 is there, so it will shift one place towards right, so it will become 13 point like. But there is no need of decimal after 13, so we will just write 13. Or simply you can understand like this: 13 ones are 13 and 10 is here, so we will put 0, then put decimal before one digit. So 13.0 means it's simply 13. In this case it becomes 15370. Yes, decimal is before one digit, so it becomes 1537. There is no need to write 0. Multiply this one: 310, 31100. Decimal will is before one digit, so you will put decimal here. Finally the answer is this. And 0.03 into 1000, on multiplying 3 with 1000, only just focus on 3. Okay, the all the zeros before 3 doesn't have any significance. This is the answer, but we have to put decimal before two numbers, so this will be only 30. I have done 4 for you. You will do next by yourself. It's very interesting, believe me. Now there is a question. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? There is a two-wheeler, means scooty, bike, anything can be. It covers 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol, means 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में वो कितनी दूर चलती है, कितनी दूर तक जा सकती है? 55.3 किलोमीटर. सो डिस्टेंस covered in 1 liter petrol is 55.3 kilometer. So they are asking for distance covered in 10 liter of petrol. So it will be multiplied by 10. On multiplying this by 10, what we get? 553 and 0 also. But we have to put decimal before one number, so we will put decimal this side, and finally we have got 553 kilometer. Means in 10 liter of petrol, the two-wheeler will cover 553 kilometer distance. Question number 5 is also of multiplication. You have to, but here you will see both digits having decimal. 25 threes are, as you can do it in the corner also. 5 threes are 15, 1, 3 twos are 6 and 1 7. 75 is this. Okay, but you have to put decimal also. See, one digit of decimal is here and one is here, so total 2 digits. You can write 0.75 or you can put 0 also here. Both are same, 0.75 or 0.75. Both are same. Multiply this one. 51.7 is multiplied by 0.1. Ignore decimal and see you have to multiply with 1 only. This will be like this. Now two numbers, before two numbers we will put decimal, and here 7, ignore all the decimal, just multiply 107 by 2 and you will get 214. You have to put decimal before 4 numbers, but as we see here there are only 3 numbers. So what we will do, we have got 214, so only 3 numbers are there, we have to make 4, so we will just put 0 and we will put decimal then. So we can write 0.0214. These are the three questions, three parts of question number 5 that I have done. You have to do rest of the parts of this question and the above questions by yourself, because these are for the practice of yours. Thank you.